What's up, family? It's your boy Prince here with another video on the markets. I hope you're having all a great day so far. So today we're going to be going into the charts and looking at the total crypto market cap as a whole. Now, of course, the market seems to have chosen violence this morning. It's Monday morning and it's red across the board. I've been checking news feeds and can see that, there's a bit of fear in the market surrounding China and the lockdowns. Now, this narrative has been playing out, for over the last couple of years now. It's nothing new. And I'm going to show you exactly why you shouldn't be fearful at the moment, or why maybe this fear is irrational in the markets. Because the reality is that we've been moving sideways for this entire year now. So I'm just going to, of course, the chart that we've got up here at the moment is the total crypto market cap. We're just going to look through it, and this is, of course, is the daily. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you this. So that is the Fibonacci tool. We do not need that just now. So we're going to plot this here, this support zone, and we're going to plot this resistance zone here. So as you can see, from January to where we are now, we have been range bound in between 2 trillion and 1.5 trillion. So for just over, just over 4 months, nearly 5 months now, we've been in this range. So what is this again? Adding to the video I made the other day, this just indicates that there's indecision in the market at the minute. And whenever there's indecision, the longer that it takes to break out, the longer it takes, the bigger the break. So there's two things that we can expect from this. 5 months of consolidation, there's only one way or the other that it's going to go. It's either going to break up or it's going to break down, right? So bullish case is, of course, we have market structure break here. So if we bring this Fibonacci tool, plot it down to there, drag that across just so it makes it a bit more clear. You can see that although the market has woken up and chosen violence, we are down on the day. Look at that, spot on. We've hit the golden ratio at the 0.618 Fibonacci level, boom. So of course, if this level now acts as support and holds, I'll just highlight it there with this. If this zone here holds now, then we can expect a move to the 0.27. Simple as. And where does that bring us to? Boom, a next level of resistance. And whereabouts is that? That would be 2.4 trillion. So although the market is down on the day, of course, it helps and it pays to zoom out, because if you look at the broader image of actually how the market is, of course, and you ignore the news articles that are just there to confuse you and, make you feel fearful and doubtful in the market, we can see, okay, facts. The market has been ranging for the entire year, so nearly 5 months now. That's not something to be scared about. And as it stands, we are, of course, we're making higher lows here. Higher low, higher low, higher high. See that? Higher high. And at the moment, if the golden ratio holds, that's another higher high. So this is, of course, bullish market structure. Although, people were telling you that we're in a bear market, at the minute we are holding or maintaining bullish structure. And again, I'm just going to draw this trend line as well on the daily. As you can see, we actually have a trend line break. So since around March, we've broken this trend line. And now all we're doing is we're coming back to a level to find support and regain strength. And then the balls are going to go again. Of course, let me just get rid of that. If this level does break down and the golden ratio fails, the next target there is the 786, which it takes us back to support. This still would be bullish though. I'm only looking for bearish targets once we break this low here. So around the 1.56 range to 1.6 trillion. If we close below this, test this as resistance like so, close below, that's not drawing that. Close below, no, still not. Technical difficulties. Close below, retest that as resistance, and then boom, 1272 would be your impulsive move target. But until we see this close below here, this is a bullish market structure. Again, just to reiterate, the news headlines are designed to confuse you. It is news for the classes that you need to pay attention to, not the masses. All of the media is to manipulate us, the retail investor. Whatever they are saying, assume the opposite, because it's the herd that gets slaughtered. Yeah, you do not want to be a sheep in this market. You want to be a leader. So again, times like this, we're in the middle of support and resistance. So really, it's a 50-50 flip of the coin right now. It's not a time to be entering the market. You want to be buying at support and selling at resistance. Anything in the middle is a gamble. It's offering very low risk, very high risk trades. And again, as I mentioned, it's just a gamble, and that's not what we're here to do. We're playing probabilities. Trading is a probabilities game as well as investing. If you're buying here at resistance, you're asking for trouble, and if you're selling at support, again, you're asking for trouble. And it's quite simple. If I sell here at support, the downside risk is smaller than the upside risk. So there's more, it's more profitable to go long here than it is to go short. So if I'm not looking to go long, then don't touch the trade. It's as simple as that, really. So yeah, we are down on the day. It is Monday. Usually Mondays aren't a great day for crypto anyway. I hope that clears you up and makes you feel a bit more confident in the market, because yeah, as I've just shown you, again, we are ranging for the entirety of this year, which is exciting because it means we are looking for a breakout to either the up or downside. Of course, if we do break to the downside, this will be my target here, which takes us to 1.2 trillion. And that is not what I wanted. The 1.2 trillion there, of course. And if we break to the upside, if the golden ratio holds, then we'll be looking at the first target, 2.4 trillion, followed by 2.7. But once we start hitting these targets, this is confirmation that money's flowing back in the markets. And I would expect the all-time high for the crypto market cap to be hit shortly after. Of course, at this point, we would be looking at some sort of resistance before price continues upwards. But later on in the week, I'm going to give you a weekly chart on the total market cap, so it can give you the long-term targets for where exactly this market is going and just exactly what I think is going to happen. But anyway, that's all for today. I just want to finish by saying that I really do appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. And I just want to end with this. Just remember to stay happy, stay positive, and have an amazing day. Peace!